Okay, so when we talk about automation inside of Salesforce, it's important to know flows. It's important to know what flows can and can't do. One of the tricky things about knowledge of flows, now that Salesforce has consolidated everything into flows, almost any kind of automation that you would do inside of the system can be done in flows. Because they've got rid of process builder and workflow rules, what I've heard from individuals who have taken the exam more recently is there aren't those kinds of questions that used to be on the test around, can you do this inside of process builder? Should you're looking to automate something, should you use a workflow rule or process builder? Because flows have consolidated that, those questions, I would be very surprised if you get questions around process builder and workflow rules on the exam. Other than if they're on the exam, they might be a wrong answer, because Salesforce is really gearing the admin of the future to flows. That being said, there are other things that you'll want to be aware of inside of the platform in addition to flows. So on this page here, what I like about it, you can read about flows, getting started about the automation learning map. There's a really good things in here. But I think what's really useful for exam takers is understanding the basics about flows and flow builder. These are very useful videos to watch just to get yourself acquainted with it, get familiar with what it looks like, and just get familiar with it as a tool.